You train hard. You eat more than before, yet your body still looks the same. Thin arms, flat chest, zero muscle definition. Everyone keeps telling you, bro, it's just genetics. But here's the truth. Genetics is the laziest excuse in fitness, and it's usually wrong. I've seen skinny guys waste years doing the right workouts and still make no progress. And I've also seen average-built guys transform completely once they fixed a few hidden mistakes. In this video, I'll break down the real formula that turns a skinny body into a muscular one. No fancy supplements, no fake promises. Watch till the end, because one mistake here might be killing all your gains. Welcome to Kinetic Peak. This channel is about building strength, muscle, and confidence using science, not shortcuts. If you're skinny, tired of being told to just eat more, and confused by YouTube fitness advice, this video is for you. I focus on practical systems that actually work in real life, not influencer workouts made for views. If your goal is to build a strong, muscular body the right way, consider subscribing, because every video here is designed to move you closer to your peak. Most skinny guys start their fitness journey with excitement and high hopes. You join the gym, follow a workout plan you found online, and promise yourself this time will be different. For the first few weeks, you feel sore, tired, and proud, because soreness feels like progress. But then something strange happens. Weeks turn into months, and when you look in the mirror, nothing has really changed. Your arms are still thin, your chest still looks flat, and people still tell you, just eat more. That's when frustration kicks in. You start questioning yourself. Maybe your metabolism is too fast. Maybe your body just isn't built for muscle. You watch others grow faster than you, even though you train just as hard, sometimes harder. Slowly, motivation drops, and the gym starts to feel pointless. So what do most people blame? Genetics. Bad muscle building genes. A naturally skinny body type. But here's the truth. No one explains clearly. Most skinny guys aren't failing because they're weak. They're failing because they're confused. They train without structure, eat without consistency, and expect effort alone to create results. The real problem isn't how hard you train. It's that your body never gets a clear reason or the right conditions to grow. Once that changes, everything changes. One of the biggest mistakes skinny guys make is training like advanced bodybuilders instead of beginners. You walk into the gym and copy workouts designed for people who already have years of muscle build. High volume, 6 different exercises for one muscle, drop sets, supersets. It looks intense, so it feels like it must work. But intensity without purpose is just wasted energy. The popular myth is that more exercises and longer workouts lead to faster muscle growth. In reality, beginners grow best from simple, repeatable stress. Your body needs a clear signal to adapt, not constant confusion. When you change exercises every week and train each muscle once with extreme volume, there's no consistent progression. Here's the science part, kept simple. Muscle grows when it's forced to handle slightly more load over time. That's called progressive overload. If your strength isn't going up, even slowly, your muscles have no reason to grow. Doing 10 chest exercises with the same weight every week doesn't build muscle. Getting stronger on fewer key lifts does. Train like a beginner on purpose. Focus on compound movements like presses, rows, squats, and pulls. Limit workouts to 4-6 exercises. Track your lifts and aim to add reps or small weight increases weekly. Strength first, muscle follows. Most skinny guys genuinely believe they're eating enough. You hear it all the time. Bro, I eat a lot. But when you actually look at the day, meals are skipped, portions are inconsistent, and calories change every single day. One big meal at night doesn't fix a low intake the rest of the day. Effort without structure leads to the same result, no growth. The common myth is that you need to eat junk food or do a dirty bulk to gain muscle. So people start forcing fast food, sugary drinks, and random snacks, thinking calories alone build muscle. At first, the scale might move slightly, but most of that weight isn't quality muscle. It's water, fat, and digestive stress. Long term, this approach kills energy, slows recovery, and makes training worse. What really matters is consistent fuel. Muscle is built from protein, powered by carbohydrates, and supported by fats. Without enough protein, your body simply doesn't have the raw material to grow new muscle tissue, no matter how hard you train. Stop guessing. Eat 3 solid meals every day with protein in each one, plus 1-2 simple snacks if needed. Aim for a small, steady calorie surplus, not extreme overeating. Consistency beats eating a lot every single time. The third mistake most skinny guys make is completely ignoring recovery. There's this belief that if you're not training almost every day, you're falling behind. So you lift heavy, add extra workouts, and rarely take rest days. It feels productive, but your body is actually stuck in survival mode, not growth mode. Here's the truth. Muscle doesn't grow while you're lifting weights. Training only creates the stimulus. The actual growth happens when your body recovers. Without enough rest, your muscles never fully repair. Your strength stalls, and fatigue keeps piling up. Over time, this leads to poor workouts, low motivation, and zero visible progress. Sleep is the biggest factor people overlook. Less sleep means lower testosterone, higher stress hormones, and slower muscle recovery. On top of that, rushing exercises with bad form shifts the load away from the muscle you're trying to grow and onto joints and tendons. You might feel tired, but the target muscle never gets enough quality tension. Recovery as part of training. Sleep 7-9 hours whenever possible. Take rest days seriously. Focus on clean form before adding weight. Be patient. Muscle growth rewards consistency, not impatience. This is the simple system that actually works for turning a skinny body into a muscular one. No extremes, no guesswork, just clear steps you can follow consistently. Step 1. Train with a clear growth signal. What? Base your workouts around compound exercises like squats, presses, rows, pull-ups, and deadlift variations. These movements train multiple muscles at once and create the strongest signal for muscle growth. They also allow you to progressively increase strength over time, which is essential for building size. Train 3-4 days per week. Choose 4-6 exercises per session days. Keep most sets. Track your weights and reps and aim to improve something every week. Even 1 extra rep counts. Step 2. Eat for daily consistency, not occasional surplus. A small, steady calorie surplus with enough protein every day. Aim for roughly 1.62 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Keep meals simple and repeatable. What? Do I need supplements to build muscle? No. Supplements are optional, not mandatory. Protein powder is simply a convenient food source, not magic. Creatine can help improve strength and performance, but only if your training, eating, and recovery are already consistent. Without those basics, supplements do nothing. How often should I train each week? 3 to 4 training sessions per week are ideal for most skinny beginners. Let's be real. Building muscle when you start skinny isn't easy, and it's not fast. There will be weeks where you train hard, eat right, and still feel like nothing is happening. That doesn't mean you're failing. Muscle growth is slow, quiet, and often invisible before it becomes obvious. Stay consistent long enough, and the results will come. If this video helped clear your confusion and gave you a real plan, make sure you hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who actually need it. Subscribe to Kinetic Peak if you want honest, science-based fitness content without fake hype or shortcuts.